Hey everyone, this is Shalini, and I'm an international pain relief expert and the best-selling author of this book, which is Instant Pain Relief, all about healing chronic pain. And this video is the sixth video in the series of videos that I'm doing about how to get to the root cause of chronic pain, because chronic pain is a multifaceted problem. It requires you to address all the different pain layers, and often people in chronic pain make the mistake of only addressing it from the structural physical aspect and not addressing those underlying root issues that are significant contributors to the pain. So this is video number 6, and the way we are doing this is by asking key questions that help us dig deeper to those underlying layers. And the question number 6 that we're looking at today is, what is your self-talk, your daily self-talk? So if you're in chronic pain and you're struggling to break free from chronic pain, my question is, what do you say to yourself every day? Now, I want to show you, through my own example. When I was in chronic pain, I was trying different things and nothing was working. And so and then I was told to be on bed rest indefinitely because I was in chronic pain and it wasn't healing. And the doctors couldn't figure out what else they could try to do with me, because I tried the physiotherapy, ultrasound therapy, hot packs, cold packs, anti-inflammatory pills, change my chair, change my mattress, and all the possible things that they had suggested. I had tried, and the pain was getting worse. And so my self-talk those days was, I'm stuck. Why me? This is horrible. I'm going to spend the rest of my life on bed. I can't even be a regular mom to my kids. This is terrible. This is horrible. I was resentful of people, and I would just be in a very negative mode. And so, and even before I had this pain, later when I had healed myself, I observed that my self-talk was very negative, because even before the pain started, right, I was someone who was feeling lost. I had no clue about what my purpose was in life. I was working at a job that I hated, that I was totally, not into, and I felt suffocated going to the job. So my daily talk was, I hate this. I don't want to be here. I want to quit. I want to leave. This is terrible. This is horrible. And, then I was also beating myself up about, like, even if you leave, what are you going to do? You have no clue about what you want to do. You did psychology and you did social work, and you still don't, you still haven't found the right thing for yourself. And where I live in Bangkok, Thailand, I always felt like there were not enough opportunities for this kind of work to be social work. And even if there was, the pay was so little. So I have to stay stuck in this job that I hate. And so my daily vibe was so negative. And whatever you focus on, that's where energy flows. They say energy flows where attention goes. So even before my pain, and even before this whole dilemma with not getting relief from the treatments from chronic pain, I was already in this very negative self-talk mode, and I would beat myself up. You're 38, you don't even know what you're doing with your life, you're a loser, and you can't even do well in this job that you do have. There was so much negative self-talk. And then with that vibe, I would be relating to my husband, and I was always edgy in the relationships. I was always upset. and I would lash out on my husband, on my poor kids who would come from school, and because I was generally in this irritable, upset, negative mode. And then at the end of the day, I would feel even worse about myself. And I would say, what a terrible mom you are. What a terrible spouse you are. You're good for nothing. Oh my God. So that is the daily dis-ease I was in with my self-talk. And if you can relate to any of this, and if you are in this mode of this negative self-talk, it is creating and compounding your chronic pain. Because when you're in a state of dis-ease all the time, so you're in a state of chronic stress, chronic dis-ease, guess what? It's going to create physical dis-ease in your body as well, your mind, body, spirit. And so if you're in chronic pain, what is your self-talk? What are you saying to yourself? Are you beating yourself up? Are you saying this pain is never going to go away? I'm stuck with this. If you are there, then that is the thing that's creating your pain. And you want to find a way to release and clear and let go of all the worries and all the fears and all the feelings of resentment and anger and all the ways that you are beating yourself up. And there are a gazillion different ways to do it. I'm sure you can Google on the internet. My favorite go-to tool is EFT Tapping, which I share about in this book in great detail on how you can let go of your daily stress, the daily dis-ease, the emotional hurts from the past. All that stuff is contributing. And so EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques, is a simple tool that you can use by yourself, on yourself, to release this daily negativity that is compounding your chronic pain. And I have lots of videos on how to use EFT, how you can do the tapping, how you can address different emotions, upsetting emotions. There is a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out to help yourself. You can even do journaling. You can, do whatever you can do to release that state of dis-ease, because it's contributing to your chronic pain and it's keeping you in that pain loop. So it's not just about what's going on physically with you, it's what you're saying to yourself. It's your everyday self-talk which is creating and adding to your chronic pain. So I hope that resonates with you. If you do like this video, if you do like the content I shared, please do like the video. If you consume my content and haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to it. It really helps my channel grow. And if you have people that you want to share this with that are in chronic pain that will find this helpful, to share it with them. And if you have questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.